So that is the reason I'm stressing out. Is it clear? If you didn't understand, you can ask me. I'll explain. Because there is a correlation. For each and everything, there is a cold link. Interlink. You have to update in the Hibernate file. Then only you will be able to update in the database. Yeah, but this word My question is, while updating for first name, last name also, we need to do identity mappings first. Right. We have to do now. We will learn about that. Okay. So the first name, last name has been updated, but if you are going to open the attribute which we created employee type and nickname, there is no value because we didn't map. So now we will learn about how we can do the mappings and all. Okay, so creation of extended attribute. Do you have any doubts? Anyone? Okay, so if you don't have, then we'll talk about. Okay, we have 12 minutes I won't be able to complete. Agnes, can you go back to the notepad? I just want to write down the next last. Let me ping you in the chat box, you can copy-paste. Yeah, I'm going to ping so everyone can copy-paste the same thing. Okay, because why? I'm saying because I have done the mistake. I have created on my own, but the name value naming convention is not good. There is some mismatch in I have production, and I couldn't store the value. So I have learned from my mistakes. That's the reason I'm telling it's a good habit too. Drop an email to database team. If you know well, then you can. Good, but you should have full access. Or else it won't allow you to start You won't be able to access endpoint as well. If there is a mistake in the Hibernate file, to make sure Adams will do one. Guys, try to create extended attribute in Hibernate file, but don't add that access line. Let me show, open and show. So don't add that line. And try to execute, and tomorrow let me know what happened. So something like you can work around and you can learn. So I'm talking about this line. So this access equals safe and property accessor. So let me make it bold. It's already bold, okay. I'm talking about this line, so don't add this line. If you're going to add any attribute and try to create, try to update, try to follow all the steps in once, restart the services. Try to access, if you are able to access the Sailpoint or not, and tomorrow let me know, okay, and make sure you have a habit whenever you are going to make any changes in the Hibernate file, if it is a local system or in your production. In your project. It's up to you. Better way to take a backup of the Hibernate file. Okay, if anything goes wrong, you can replace the file. So better to have a backup always. Okay, if there's any small error in this Hibernate file, you won't be able to access any point. So that's sure try to say, do the same in your project. Local system. Okay, as of now, don't add this access and try to restart the services and try to access a point. If it's working or not tomorrow, let me know. because you won't have some 20 attributes right in your system. It's like a clean slate. That's the reason I'm saying